Welcome to GOYUM. 100 ton per day cashew nut shells liquid extraction and clarification plant installed in Ivory Coast by GOYUM. Firstly, the cashew shells are collected in a hopper. From here, they are transferred by a belt conveyor to the first feeding elevator. From the bucket elevator, the shells are transferred to a rotary magnet, which removes any metallic suspended particles present in the shells. After passing through the rotary magnet, the shells are transferred into the overhead feeding screw conveyor. The shells discharged from the overhead feeding screw conveyor are directed into steam conditioners, where they undergo conditioning with steam before the extraction process. The conditioned shells are then processed in the oil expeller, where raw CNSL is extracted. The raw CNSL extracted from the oil expeller is transferred to vibro separator. The RCNSL passes through a vibro separator to remove sludge and impurities prior to feeding into the reaction vessels. The raw CNSL is fed into the reaction vessels, where it is heated with steam under constant agitation. A deformer is added to minimize foaming, sludge settles and is separated, and the treated CNSL is subsequently transferred to storage. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.